Are you looking to boost your career or learn that dream job? Whether you are in business, healthcare, education, or tech, stick around to the end because I will show you 3 data skills that can get you hired fast. Number 1 skills you need to learn is data visualization. Employers love people who can take complex data and turn it into clear insights. It's not just about making charts look pretty. It's about telling stories with the data. I have personal engagement with employers. I've work experience, so I know what I am telling you. Why it matters. Businesses, leaders want to make quick, informed decisions. Visualization helps you explain trends, patterns, and problems at a glance. Data analysis and interpretation. It's one thing to collect data, but employers want people who can make sense of it. For example, a company might want to know why sales dropped last quarter. A hospital might want to identify trends in patient visits. A school might want to track student performance. To do this, you need basic statistical knowledge and the ability to analyze patterns in data, basic SQL, and data management. Most companies store data in databases. In SQL, structured query language is the key to accessing and organizing it. With just a few simple commands, you can pull sales numbers for the last 6 months, check customers' demographics, combine data from different sources. Yes. You may ask why this matters. Let me tell you. Even non-technical roles now involves interacting with data. Recruiters love candidates who can self-serve and find answers fast. You don't need to be a programmer. Just learning the basic can set you apart from other candidates. Now, you have known the 3 data skills that can help you land your next job. The data visualization, data analysis and interpretation, basic SQL and data management. If you start learning just one of these today, you already be ahead of the curve. I will be posting step-by-step lectures on each of these skills right here on this channel. So make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss out. Type in your comments below. Let me know which skill you want to master first. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.